Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Sunday, August 25th, 2013. A couple of things to be aware about for this evening, and a lot due to the high winds that we have out there, or higher winds. It's been pretty gusty here during the day today, and that we have a high swim risk out on the Lake Michigan beaches of northern Michigan. Not including Grand Traverse Bay, though. It's not quite in the right alignment, but we do have life-threatening currents because of that, because of the high waves and the higher winds that would cause those currents. Those higher winds and our warm temperatures are causing an enhanced wildfire concern. And then the other thing that we're going to look at here through the rest of the hazardous weather briefing is the periodic thunderstorm chances over all of northern Michigan. And that'll start tonight and go through Tuesday night. And we're expecting locally heavy rain with a lot of this, with these thunderstorms. As we take a look, we have high pressure off to the southeast of us down along the Atlantic seaboard, and we do have a warm front that's trying to move through the area. That's been part of the thing that's been kicking off these thunderstorms and all that. The cold front that you see up there along the Canadian border, that's going to eventually sag down towards us with that area of low pressure in South Dakota, and it's going to set up the conditions for us to be able to get thunderstorms that kind of run over the same area. So we could see some what we call training of thunderstorms over the next couple of nights. As we look at the forecast, then as we consider that for tonight, we also see this then the cold front is laid out across the region, and that will allow these thunderstorms to move along in the same area several times. So we could get some beneficial rains, although it could also be that we get some flash flooding out of this if we're not careful. So we have to watch for it. The ingredients are there. Whether or not everything comes together at the right time to do that is the big question. And of course that's going to continue on into Monday night, Tuesday morning. And if we take a look at the precipitation forecast put out by the Weather Prediction Center in Washington, D.C., and this is good for tonight through Wednesday, you'll see that we've got almost 2 inches of rain over top of our area there in northern Michigan, where we really could use the rain. So we'll see if this comes out. If we can get that spread out over during a 3-day period, that's probably not going to be too bad. If we get it all at once with a few thunderstorms kind of raking over one particular section, then that's not going to be so good. So this is something that we have to watch out for over the next couple of days. To wrap it all up, we do have showers and thunderstorms possible over the next several days. Our temperatures are going to be well above normal. We're going to be close to 90 here for the next couple of days too. And our temperatures tonight are going to be mainly in right around the 70-degree mark. The thunderstorms are going to come in, as we said. We have periodic thunderstorm chances tonight through Tuesday night. Not really expecting severe weather, just heavy rain possible. Otherwise, don't forget, at least before any of the thunderstorms get in here, due to our warm temperatures and gusty winds, we do have an elevated fire danger this evening, and we also have the elevated risk for rip currents on Lake Michigan beaches of northern Michigan through the early part of the evening. Thanks for listening into the Hazardous Weather Briefing. If you'd like to look for more information, you can always find us at weather.gov/Gaylord or ask us questions on Facebook and Twitter. And you can also find this plus a virtual tour of the office on YouTube. Thanks for listening and have a great evening.